Dear tourist, you don't have to buy an expensive dirndl. We love your strange interpretation of Bavarian culture. But do wear closed shoes, or you will end up like 100 others with cutted feet in the hospital. Backpacks are forbidden. Your handbag can be as big as a DIN A4 paper or 3 liters. Write your address on your body, that you don't end up crying on the Oktoberfest cause you lost your friends, your mobile, and you don't know the address of your hotel. On the first day you have to drink Spezi or Apfelschorle till 12 o'clock. Munich people love Spezi. The Wiesn opens daily at 9 a.m. Wiesn, that's how the people from Munich call the Oktoberfest. There's only 1 liter beer on the Wiesn. We call it a Maß beer. Please repeat, a Maß beer. If they play Prosit der Gemütlichkeit, you have to drink, because they want to make sure that you empty your jug fast, so that the host doesn't get bankrupt. But whoever told you that we people in Munich traditionally drink our beer out of shoes is totally wrong. That's disgusting. It's also forbidden to stand like a beer superstar on the bench and drink your beer on X. How is it in your hometown? We in Munich don't piss under the table. And please, don't show your penis. Sad but true, if you dance on the table, the security will kick you out. But you can dance as wild as possible on the benches. The service lives from the tip, so give them a lot of tip. Yes, the Bavarian girls have the best boobs in the world, but do not touch. If you see somebody is helpless, help. If you are that drunk and that tired that you want to rest on the hill behind the Hofbräuzelt, we call it Puke Hill, go directly at home. Last order is at 10:30. 2 beer tents are open longer, but a lot of people know this. If you want to go home, take the subway or walk. There's not enough cabs for all visitors. If you are still not drunk enough, go in any direction. There's party everywhere. It is allowed to go to bed when you are tired. Oktoberfest is every year. Start your day with Spezi.